Hi, I'm Shane from Jimboomba Turf, and today we're here to talk about winter mower maintenance. We're sharing these tips to help you keep your lawn looking its best this winter. We've come to visit the team up at the big mower at Biwa to get some expert advice on how to look after your equipment. Your mower needs regular servicing to keep it in great shape. Without servicing, your mower can tear at your lawn and even break down, usually at the worst time. Mower maintenance can be as simple as some things you can do at home, or you can avoid the stress and take it to professionals. Winter is the perfect time to take advantage of your lawn's slower growth rate. You can get your equipment serviced before the weather warms up and beat the spring rush. Okay, Greg, so what should the DIY person do to service their own mower?
Well, there's a large range of maintenance kits
Yep.
for all different ranges, models, types.
What's in those kits?
Well, you got all your spark plugs, your oil filters, air filters, fuel preservative.
Oh, that's very important.
Very important, especially at this time of the year when you're not using your mower
Yep.
that often.
And of those, what are the most important things that people just don't change that they need to change?
The fuel stabilizer. Fuel only lasts about 30 days.
Yeah.
And then therefore the actual quality of fuel starts to degrade and it causes issues. So if you can do an oil change and replace the unit with fresh stabilized fuel,
Yep.
and ensure that you start it at least once a month.
Yep.
Run it for 5 minutes, get it hot.
A lot of people don't like to do it themselves, and we always say go see a professional and get it done properly. What are the sort of things that you guys can do for people to keep their gear in good nick all year round?
When you bring it to a professional, we have a direct comparison from a new machine to where your machine is at.
Yeah.
So we know exactly how much life is left in it. Is it worth spending the money?
Yep.
Are you emotionally involved with it? It's the one place in the world it's okay to bring pictures of your mower and
course.
show them to us, and we can give you the advice.
And I would imagine especially with power equipment, if I'm servicing my mower myself and just changing a couple of things,
Yes.
the lifespan of that mower will be so long. But if I, much like my car, go and see a proper dealer and get it serviced professionally,
Yeah.
I'm going to get much longer out of my...
They can see things.
Yes.
They can see things happen before they cost you money. If you're not emotionally involved with the machine, you get to a certain cost point, we can say, look, I don't think it's going to be worth spending it, but here are your options. And this is the difference between a servicing dealer network and a big box store.
Yep.
We're concerned about building a relationship long term and ensuring that you're happy and the life of the product is there and you can maintain your yard stress free.
Do enough people come in and see you in winter when it's a bit quieter to get their machine right?
Traditionally, no. This is the time of the year we're a bit quiet.
Yep.
And this is the time to do your servicing, to get it in, to get it checked out. Even if you don't need to do anything to it, you at least to know where it's at.
It starts in spring. The big reason we're here is because we see a lot of people that don't do anything about their mower until it's too late. They park the mower, they don't bother mowing in winter, and then they wonder why it doesn't start.
Exactly right. If you miss that cycle, everything changes. It changes the root structure.
Yep.
And therefore changing the root structure puts more wear and tear and strain on your mower. Wears your blades out faster, makes the engine work harder, and wears out things a lot faster. We see it so often.
Yep.
And we don't have an endless supply of money, so let's use knowledge to ensure that when you do need it, it's going to be there.
Work smarter.
Not harder.
We hope these tips have been helpful for getting your mower ready for the warmer seasons ahead. If you need more advice on mower maintenance, speak to the guys at the Big Mower. We'll put their contact details below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lawn care tips, and see the Jimboomba Turf website for more tips and advice from Brisbane's leading turf supplier for over 45 years. See you next time.